Making this year your best financial year requires a combination of strategic planning, disciplined execution, and continuous evaluation. Here's a guide to help you navigate the journey. 1. Reassess and align your financial goals. Begin by revisiting your financial objectives. Whether it's purchasing a home, starting a business, or building an emergency fund, ensure your goals are clear and attainable. Aligning your financial strategies with your personal values can provide motivation and direction. 2. Develop a comprehensive budget. Crafting a detailed budget is foundational. Document your income sources against all expenses, distinguishing between necessities and discretionary spending. This clarity allows for informed decisions and highlights areas where adjustments can be made to enhance savings. 3. Establish and maintain an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind against unforeseen events. 4. Strategically manage and reduce debt. High-interest debts can hinder financial progress. Implement strategies such as the avalanche or snowball methods to systematically reduce debt. Consolidating debts might also lead to more favorable interest rates, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. 5. Optimize retirement contributions. Regularly evaluate your retirement accounts. Aim to maximize contributions, taking full advantage of employer matches and tax benefits. Starting early and contributing consistently leverages the power of compound interest, ensuring a comfortable retirement. 6. Diversify and review your investment portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio balances risk and reward. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your asset allocation ensures alignment with your risk tolerance and financial goals, adapting to changing market conditions. 7. Stay informed about tax implications. Tax laws can change and significantly impact your financial planning. Stay updated on current regulations to optimize deductions and credits, ensuring compliance and maximizing potential refunds. 8. Protect your assets with adequate insurance. Safeguard your financial well-being by ensuring you have appropriate insurance coverage, including health, auto, home, and life insurance. Regularly reviewing and updating these policies ensures they meet your evolving needs. 9. Leverage financial tools and resources. Utilize budgeting apps and financial management tools to track expenses, set savings goals, and monitor investment performance. These resources provide real-time insights, facilitating informed decision-making. 10. Consult financial professionals. Engaging with financial advisors offers personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. They can provide insights into tax planning, investment strategies, and estate planning, ensuring your financial plan is robust and comprehensive. I hope you found these tips useful.